Hey guys, chances are you want to know some Forex trading strategies for beginners step by step. Look no further. In this video, I have 3 very important steps that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So if you're into Forex trading and you want to make a living with Forex trading or make good side hustle income, this video is going to explain Forex trading strategies for beginners step by step, even if you never traded Forex online before. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you like what you see and you want to learn how to implement this for yourself, visit my website at www.darylbreton.com, where I'm going to be sending you lots of bonus videos. So the stock market is constantly evolving with new features, market fluctuations, and trading opportunities. You can make great profits fast, but trading without experience and the right strategies for the particular market, you can lose them even faster. Step number 1 is risk management. It's the most important step. So what is risk management? So on your trading account, you're going to have your funds, whether it's $100, $50, $20, $500, $1,000, whatever amount that you're comfortable putting in your trading account. And you're only going to want to risk 1 to 3% of your account when you're trading. So for example, if I have a $100 trading account, 1% of $100 is $1. So when I'm making a trade and I'm going to call up, or if I'm making a trade and I'm going to call a put and call down, then I'm going to only risk $1. So risk management is very important, because even if your winning system and trading philosophy is good, lack of risk management skills will make you give back all your profits at some point. Step number 2 is knowing how to read the trends. You need to know how to read the basic trends. So there's an upward trend as well as a downward trend. And a straightward trend is this top right box right here, where it kind of goes up and down, but it's not really going down or it's not really going up. It's just kind of going straight. So that's a straightward trend. Those are the 3 most important ones to know to learn how to read the graph. And the step number 3 is develop the habit to walk away. So start off only by making 5 trades per day. And if 3 of your 5 trades didn't go as planned, close the window or turn off your computer. You need to walk away. Maybe you're kind of getting a little emotional. You're like, oh, I need to make back all my profit that I lost. I need to make back all the trades that I lost. But you need to close the window and turn off your computer, because now you're trading with emotion, and that's not good. So these 3 important steps and skills are habits that you need to develop, and it's really crucial to develop them when you're just beginning your journey as a trader in the stock market, in the foreign exchange market, in any kind of stocks. You need to develop these 3 strategies and systems and habits, so then when you have lots of money in your account, you're not going to be giving it away. You're not going to be playing around with it foolishly and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just like always, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, as well as click the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm. In tomorrow's video, we are going to be showing you what are baby pips. So just like always, click on the video above, click on the video below. There's more knowledge going to be thrown at you, so make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you guys for joining me on my video. I appreciate you so much. Click the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm, as well as stay tuned for my next video.